So this week we're going to take a look at another technique used in metalwork. This is basically the drill and tap. What is it for? We use a lot of screws, bolts, and this way you can drill the hole, you can tap that hole so that it will fit a specific bolt thread. So what I've made here is sort of a drawer pull, kind of a wider one for like 3-foot wide door. But basically what I would like to do on the ends where it attaches, I need to drill and tap a hole there so that a bolt can go through the drawer face, and then you'll be able to tighten these up. The technique we're going to do is basically to drill and tap the holes in the back. But for an 8x32 thread, we're going to be using a number 29 size drill bit to drill those, pre-drill those holes before we tap. So here we go, let's get it set up. Now most standard kitchen hardware is made what they call an 8x32. So number 8 is the size, and then a 32 meaning 32 threads per inch. So let's tap some holes. So now that we got these holes tapped, all we need now is a little cleanup and apply the finish, and they'll be ready to install. So if you like this sort of thing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and ring the bell for your notifications, and I'll see you on the next video.